Welcome back. It's about 102 degrees out here in lovely Colorado. That's pretty hot even by our standards. But I've gotten a lot of questions on the carbon fiber panels and how they do in the heat. So did a video basically showing that under fire, yes, it does catch fire and it does tend to melt the material in between because I'm using PLA for the printing, and then that's encapsulated in the carbon fiber. Well, what I've got here is, hopefully you can see this. This is a piece that is a reject that I've left out here for, this one's been out here probably about 7 or 8 months. And you can see it's covered in encapsulated in carbon fiber. It's been in the sun all day long at 100 degrees. Well, I guess it was only 100 for maybe 3 or 4 hours, but you get the point. And if I push on it, I get no deflection whatsoever. So now this is epoxy resin. Epoxy resin's pretty tough, but it is also UV sensitive. And still, with all of that abuse by the sun, we still have a nice, tough, hard part. So I hope this helps answer some of those questions that I've had on the carbon fiber, how it does in the sun, and hopefully that's your answer. So thanks again for watching, and we'll have more videos coming out soon.